Okay, I'm out in the valley with Natman. We're hiking the Cuyahoga River's on the left of us, about a mile from the road. We're on a bike trail, hiking bike trail, and train tracks are on the right of us. So quiet out here, huh? What do you think?
Yeah.
Look at this. Way nature takes its course, you know? It's February 23rd, I believe, right? Yeah. Sunday afternoon around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We got about 30 degrees out here.
115.
Yeah, 115. 30 degrees is pretty close. Yeah.
That other layer on.
All right. That's about it. I'll get back to another. It's pretty cool. Yeah, raccoon prints. They look like it.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of ice. No snow on the ground that much. It's February, end of February. We're still hiking on this trail. Look at all this. Come 2 months from now, we won't be able to see in there. You know? Let's see if Okay, we're still in the valley here. We stumbled upon whatever we got here.
Yeah, show that round. You can see that round perfect.
Yeah, the round area.
That's probably a septic.
Yeah. And a lot of things going on. Never know. Just thought I'd let you guys know.
You need to find a door. You can find a base.
A door?
A door to the house.
To the house, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
A door to the house.
Wow. Great area.